All right, family. So I'm out. Y'all coming with me? I'm just trying to find something to for where I live at, for my place. I'm just trying to like do some touches to it. So right now I'm in Lowe's, as you seen. So we're finna go and find for something for the sink, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. So let's go and try to find it. Let's see if it's something that I'm looking for. And just a little bit of a hard video, but I'm on here showing you I'm still doing stuff while I'm out, because I could just put the camera down and not do anything, but I'm not going to do that to y'all. So I'm just going to still have you coming out with me. It's a little hard time. My dad, I'm going through something with my dad right now, and he's not doing well. He's like coming to the end, if y'all could understand that. So it's real kind of hard for me to do the video, but I'm doing it. So I'm doing it, and if my mood is not up like I usually do, that's because family, I'm a daddy's girl. So yeah, my dad. So I'm looking for the sinks. All right. So let's look. Sink. See, this is something that I'm kind of going for right here. I like that. But let's see. Okay, here we go. I want a new kitchen sink. I'm trying to find one that I would like. I don't want that. I want it high. I'm looking at that. I like that 134 up there. So now that I'm over here, I'm looking. So okay, let's see what we can find out of here. It's closed, so it's closed today. So we getting ready to go to Burlington. So let's keep it moving. Oh, this look, y'all, it's Christmas time. Oh boy, we are ready for the holidays. Oh, where the black Santa's at? Oh, here go one. Oh, I like this picture right here. That is nice. I want to see if they have some they got pictures. Oh, that's pretty. I like that picture. This is pretty. I like that. Oh, I like that too. Okay, family, we at Boscov's right now. So we couldn't find nothing at Burlington. So right now at Boscov's, so let's see what we can find here. Y'all know Boscov's is my store, so do not laugh at me, okay? I'm looking for a TV stand. That's why I'm in here. Honey, you gotta shop for a bargain, okay? Okay. I don't see no TV. I'm looking for a TV stand, family. I am looking for a nice, like a TV stand. And that's $89. Okay, they have some down here, but they don't, I don't know. Look, they have some over here. That's one. Okay, here go one right here. Looking for it. This is a big one. How much is this one? Okay. I had my camera like bloated up so y'all couldn't really see it. I hope y'all can see better now, but yeah, I ain't gonna lie, but this is too small for what I'm looking for. So yeah, let's see. Nah. Okay, I guess we're going to the next store. All right. So far we done went to 3 stores. We're not finding what we want. We want to get a TV stand, and we already purchased the sink. So I want to switch that out because you got to make your home a home. You know what I'm saying? So y'all bear with me. I'm trying here. I'm trying here. So if y'all want to look, I'm just gonna put the camera. But we can fit in the axe and see. But so let me see. Okay, family, on to the next stop. All right, family, I got to get a sub. So I'm hungry, so we're going to get something to eat. Okay? All right, the final result. Get ready to dig in. Look at that. That's turkey. That looks good. I got the combo meal. All right, I'm getting ready to dig in. All right. Okay, next stop, we're going to Homes. So let's go. Oh, and this is exactly what I want to look. But it's so thick and wide. See, family? I want something to put at the edge of the bed but I don't like this color. So I could put like my bed pillows and stuff inside. Oh, they have a look. They got a tan one. That one right up under there. You know, to be honest, I even like this. I could set my pillows on this on the bed thing. How much is this? I like this too, because I have a king, so. Okay, see if they have some TV stands. You see, they got all these stands here. I don't think these are TV stands. They look like dresser stands. Let's see how much it is. Ooh.
Maybe this is what you need.
I want to get 2 big mirrors for the bedroom too. I like this. Family, I want to come back. I like this. That is sharp. Look at the picture. Isn't that pretty? I don't even see what the price is. Oh well. On to the next store. Look, they getting ready for the holidays too, family. Look at that. TVs. Look, that's a I wouldn't get that one, but look, it's all over the place. They got TVs. What is this? Ooh, look at this. I would love to have this. Oh, I would love that. Where's the price at? Oh, here for the price. Oh gosh, look at this. Beautiful. Look at the colors. All right, I found what I needed. I have to order everything. You got to order online. So it's going to get delivered to my home. So I'm just looking at this point. I mostly have all of this already, but I got mine off of Amazon. See the prices? Now this is good. Look, that's 30. You can get it cheaper on Amazon, but this is something I encourage for the new beginners on YouTube. You should have some type of light, because your lighting, you really need lighting. So yeah, but this is high at Amazon. You know, I go right on Amazon. I'm sorry y'all, but I'm pro Amazon. Look at that. That's $39.99. But I'm getting ready to get out of here. Here go one right here. Okay, I'm about to get out of here. Family, we are leaving Best Buy. I got what I needed out of here. All right, bye-bye.